Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss top 5 must-read self-finance book. 1. Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This classic book explores the difference in mindset between the rich and the poor and provides valuable insights on building wealth. 2. The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. A practical guide to financial fitness. This book offers a step-by-step plan to get out of debt, save money, and achieve financial freedom. 3. Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book emphasizes the importance of aligning your spending with your values and provides a 9-step program for transforming your relationship with money. 4. The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Through extensive research, this book reveals the habits and characteristics of millionaires, offering valuable lessons on accumulating wealth. 5. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Set in ancient Babylon, this book imparts timeless financial principles through engaging stories, teaching the secrets to achieving financial success. These books cover a wide range of personal finance topics and provide essential knowledge for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel.